Great opportunity to own an A-frame cabin on the ocean front. Gorgeous views through a wall of windows. The living room features a slider to a front deck where you can enjoy the ocean views and watch for whales that feed on the kelp beds below. Use your DIY skills to make this quaint cabin your own. What an amazing canvas! Upstairs is a large loft that could be a bedroom, but lacks a closet. On the main floor is a bedroom and bath tucked behind the living room and kitchen. Newer vinyl plank flooring throughout the home and exterior paint. This one won't last. There's a detached oversized single-car garage too.